Welcome to Buying Insider. In this video, we will present you with a short buying guide together with a list of the best air fryers in 2021 on the market, up to date, just to make your buying decision easier. The air fryer is essentially an amped-up countertop convection oven. Its compact space facilitates even faster cooking. The top of the unit holds a heating mechanism and a fan. Hot air rushes down and around the food placed in a fryer-style basket. This rapid circulation makes the food crisp, much like deep frying. Cleanup is super easy too, and most units have dishwasher-safe parts. Air fryers are still relative newcomers to the market, and there's a lot to consider. We recommend starting with a budget. You'll want to think about how much you have to spend on an air fryer. These appliances can cost anywhere from $50 to several $100s, so it's important to balance your budget with the features that you want. Typically, these appliances have a capacity between 2 and 7 quarts. If you plan to cook specific dishes, you may want to look for a model with pre-programmed settings that will make the process easier. Some air fryers have additional functionality that will make them a more versatile tool in the kitchen, like toaster ovens, dehydrators, and rotisserie cookers. Whether you're looking for the best of the best or the most affordable, you'll find it on this list. So if you want to know which one will work best for you, stay tuned. If you want to see more details and the newest prices of the products mentioned in this list, check the links in the description below. Now, let's start with the first product. First on the list, as best overall, we present you Instant Vortex Air Fryer. With a sleek, black, easy clean finish, the Instant Vortex looks great on your counter, and its compact size wastes no space on your counter while still packing in 6 quarts of air frying capacity, big enough to fit a 2-pound bag of fries or a 4-pound chicken. The Vortex Plus is not a toaster oven. There's no toast setting, and it's more than an air fryer. It's a 1500-watt mini convection oven with a max oven temperature of 400 degrees that can air fry, bake, roast, cook rotisserie style, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. The Instant Vortex Plus excels cooking food evenly and quickly in its 6-quart basket. Frozen chicken nuggets came out crispy outside, moist inside in just 15 minutes. The control panel couldn't be simpler. There are dedicated buttons for selecting each one of its 6 cooking functions, and a knob for quickly scrolling through cooking temperatures and times. The basket can easily be slid in and out using just one hand. This makes removing the basket mid-cooking to shake the contents, a requirement for many recipes, quick and simple. The Instant Vortex Plus is a bit more expensive than the average air fryer, but not to a ridiculous degree. Seeing as it provides exceptional performance, we think this slight bump in price is well worth it, making the Instant Vortex Plus a great overall value. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our next videos. As best home air fryer, we recommend the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This unique kitchen workhorse is actually a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer. That means it not only bakes, broils, and toasts, it also lets you air fry right inside the oven. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air, is a healthier way to prepare delicious fried favorites, from wings to fritters to fries to shrimp. And since toaster ovens stay on the countertop, this fryer doesn't have to move back and forth from cupboard to counter. Enjoy the crunch without the calories and messy cleanup with the air fryer toaster oven. Designed with an adjustable thermostat that reaches 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the convection toaster oven air fryer has heating elements on both top and bottom for a lightning-quick warm-up. In addition to crisping up to 3 pounds of food with little to no oil, the device can bake a 12-inch pizza, broil burgers, and toast as many as 6 slices of bread. It also comes with an oven rack, a baking pan, and an air fryer basket. We recommend this model if you're looking for the full-sized, refined version of this type of an appliance. It's ideal for larger families, and its functions are one of the things that make us prefer it over the rest of the models. We've selected this model as the best home air fryer toaster oven. Next on our list as the best for small kitchen is the Dash Compact. Compact, yet spacious enough to hold a dozen chicken wings or a pound of potatoes. The compact air fryer can handle everything from appetizers to entrees or even desserts. The 2-quart non-stick appliance makes it incredibly easy to prepare proteins and veggies in just a few minutes without caloric oils or extra grease. And given the huge and pricey air fryer assortment that's available, this simple and compact one is a steal at just $60. This is a convenient, small appliance for your kitchen that works well in the bachelor's pad or for a single resident. provides 1000 watts of power to quickly heat up to cooking temperature. It takes up less counter space than a traditional convection oven, and cleanup is quite easy since the cooking drawer is dishwasher safe. Simply let the tray cool off sufficiently and toss it right into your dishwasher top rack. Using the Dash Compact Air Fryer is about as easy as it gets, and though it operates very similarly to a convection oven, the heat is generated almost immediately and there's no wait time for the oven to get up to temp. So in that sense, it does seem to prepare fried foods faster than using our oven. Make sure to check our links in the description. We found this product for a remarkable price. We hope you like our selection of products so far, and if you want us to review other products in this category, feel free to comment below. In the category Best Value, we present you with Crux Touchscreen Air Fryer. The Crux Air Fryer can be used to fry just about anything. Just think of your favorite fried food. What is it? Chicken? Chips? French fries? Fried fish? Whatever it is, it's a great candidate for the Crux Air Fryer. The fact is, these foods are actually the basis for an air fryer. There are lots of other foods though this machine can fry. The fryer comes with a 1500-watt circular heat technology. This ensures that your dishes get cooked fast to save on time and energy. Circular heat ensures that food gets well cooked all around the frying basket. It comes equipped with a stainless steel element that heats your dishes quickly and holds the temperature all through the cooking process. You can cook with temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 1 hour. The fryer comes with a 2.5-liter frying basket. The basket is made of stainless steel to ensure that it remains in good shape for an extended period. The basket is also non-stick to make it easier for you to clean it and ensure that your food doesn't burn. The manufacturer has taken the time to design a quality air fryer. The tapered design, shy finish, and touchscreen control make the model look beautiful for any space and shows quality. The Crux is considerably cheaper than competing models that come with the same features and capabilities, therefore it is a great bargain. As the best budget buy in today's video, we chose the GoWise Air Fryer. GoWise has 7 built-in smart programs named chips, meat, chicken, steak, shrimp, fish, or manual program. It's fast. Your fries will be ready in just 15 minutes, and raw chicken wings would be ready in about 12 to 15 minutes. Cooking with a GoWise USA air fryer lets you enjoy your favorite fried foods without the mess of all that hot and dangerous oil or those added calories. Using rapid air technology, food cooks from all sides at once, just like frying in oil, so you'll get that crispy texture you crave. Turn leftover pizza into hot, out of the oven by the slice. Never cook frozen foods in the microwave again, and create healthy meals from scratch to impress friends and family. This GoWise USA air fryer has a temperature range of 170 degrees to 400 degrees, allowing you to prepare a variety of snacks, entrees, and desserts. To help you get started, each GoWise USA air fryer comes included with a recipe book packed with 50 tried and tested recipes. The GoWise USA air fryer is a must-have for any home and makes the perfect gift. So our winner for today's best budget product, you won't find a better deal. Check the link in the description box while it is still available. So there you have it, the best 5 air fryers on the market today. If you found the one on our list that meets your needs and budget, remember to check the link in the description box and catch it at a discounted price. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time here at The Buying Insider, your home of fair and square product reviews.